Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential piece of gear for anyone involved in audio production, live sound, or even just setting up a home studio. The SINUS Live 4-pack of XLR female to 1.4 TRS male adapters. These aren't just any adapters. They're designed to be the reliable bridge between your professional audio equipment. Right out of the package, the first thing that strikes you about these adapters is their build quality. Each adapter boasts a high-quality, robust, and durable all-metal die-cast housing. This isn't flimsy plastic. This is the kind of construction that instills confidence, ensuring they can withstand the rigors of frequent use, whether in a busy studio environment or on the road. The silver finish gives them a sleek, professional look that will fit right in with any setup. Their stable and flexible design means they're not just tough, but also practical for various connection scenarios. Functionality is where these adapters truly shine. They feature a 3-pin XLR female connector on one end and a 1.4 TRS stereo male plug on the other. This balanced connection is crucial for maintaining signal integrity and delivering pristine sound, minimizing noise and interference over longer cable runs. For anyone who values clear, uncompromised audio, this is a significant advantage. The pro-grade performance ensures that your audio signals are transmitted with exceptional clarity, making them perfect for critical listening and recording applications. The versatility of these adapters is another major selling point. They are incredibly useful for a wide array of devices. Think about connecting microphones to mixers that only have 1 4-inch inputs, or linking amplifiers, EQ units, and other rack gear. Musicians will find them invaluable for integrating keyboards, guitars, electric pianos, and electric drums into a professional audio chain. Essentially, if you need to convert an XLR output to a 1 4-inch TRS input, or vice versa in some setups, these adapters are your go-to solution. Getting a pack of 4 is also incredibly convenient. It means you'll likely have enough on hand for multiple connections or as spares, which is always a good idea in any audio setup. The brand, SINUS Live, emphasizes strict quality control, ensuring that each adapter meets high standards before it even reaches you. And should any issues arise, their commitment to customer satisfaction through Amazon Message or QA is a reassuring promise. In conclusion, for anyone seeking reliable, high-quality, and durable adapters to bridge their XLR and 1 4-inch TRS audio connections, the SINUS Live 4-pack offers an excellent solution. They are built to last, designed for pristine sound, and versatile enough for almost any audio application you can throw at them. They truly work perfectly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.